Namaste children, this is Mausmi, your maths teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn one new chapter, chapter 9, data handling. So what is data? Yes, data is information. That means when we have to collect some information and gather in a proper manner or meaningful way, that is known as data handling. Okay, that means we have so many, just you people have so many names. Yes, so many children, so many names. We have write in one attendance register all the names. How we will write? Alphabetic order. So this is the students data, student information. We will write your name, then we will collect all of your date of births. Okay, so all of your date of birth when we will collect, so that is also one data. Okay, we will collect neatly. How we will write? Here and there we will write beside your name, or we will write according to the month. In January month, how many children has and who and all has. So we can just you observe in your classroom that we have paged that birthday chart. So how we are meeting? By collecting data and arranging in proper manner. So this is known as data handling. Let us see one example. See, what is this? This is a picture of a house is there, and if you observe this picture neatly, you can observe so many shapes. Correct? You have already learned different shapes. So here you can observe so many shapes. So in that triangle you can see, circle you can see. What is from there? What we can do the data handling? We can do that how many different shapes are there, a number of shapes, how many. Okay, like triangle, first we will count how many triangles are there in this picture. Okay, so first one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you observe any triangle I left? No. So how many triangle? Total 10 triangle. Okay, now what is their square? So we should find out how many squares are there. Okay, so squares we can see 1 2 and one a big square. Okay, that means, okay, so square 1 2 and 3. Okay, next we have rectangle. So how many rectangle we have? We have rectangle so now we have rectangle. So how many rectangle we have? See here, 1 you can see, 1 2, correct, 3 4. So we can see 4 rectangle. Now how many square circle you can see? If you observe here, one circle, here one circle, here. So you can see 3 circle. So 10 triangle, 3 square and 3 circle. So like this way, what we are doing here, so many things has given, that means so many different shapes has shown you. In that you have to collect, or you have to collect the number of shapes, how many times it have. Okay, so this, that means you are collecting the data of different shapes. That means what is the data here? Number of shapes. Okay, so like this way we can do. So not only like this, we can do another one things. Let's see. So month of year. So how many months are there in a year? We have total 12 months in a year. So in that we will do some activity like number of letters. So total 4 letters month, how many is there? So if you count in January, how many letters are there? 7 letters. In February it has 8 letters. March it has 5 letters. April it has 5 letters. May 3 letters. June has 4 letters. So I have got 1 here. Next July has 4 letter. Next August has 5 letter. No, so I got 2 months with 4 letters. Okay, next 5. So all when I was counting, we got March, April also 5 letter, then August also 5 letter. That means these 3 months has 5 letter. Now I should count 8 letters month. So February first you can observe. February has 8 letter. Then September how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then October 7 letter. November 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. November. December 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many I have got? 3. So the number of letters present in the month of the year we are found. So 4 letters month is there in the year 2. 5 letters it has 3 and 8 letters it has 3. Okay, next, how many times letter A arrive in this all the months? All together how many times letter A arrives we will see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many times A arrive? 6 times. Okay. Then E. E1, E1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So E arrives 11 times. Okay, next R. Then we will see R how many times arrive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So R arrives 9 times. Okay, so A arrives 6 times, E arrives 11 times and R arrives 9 times. So like that way, whatever things we will get, you can write your name, your father's name, mother's name, sister, brothers. After that you can find out how many letters are present in your name. You can count and write in father's name how many letters, in mother's name, in all what letter is common between in all of your numbers names, which letter is common, how many letters are common there. So like this, so many games like you can play in data handling. Understood? Let us see the textbook. So in your textbook you can observe here they have given a nice picture. So now same way you have to find how many. So you have to count and find. First one is triangle. So we will count all the triangle present in this picture. Okay. See in this sun how many triangle is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it 21, 22. So how many triangle you can see here? 22 triangle you can see. Okay. So how many triangle you are getting? 22 triangle. Next, square. If we consider how many square we can find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can find the 7 square. Okay, now rectangle, how many is present? Rectangle, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 rectangle we can watch here. Next, what you have? You have circle. Okay, so how many circles are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can see 8 circle. Okay, so total this many, like this way you have to find out and note down. Okay, so here so many places given. Now name the shapes that occur the most. That means how many number of shapes occurs more time, that you have to write here. Which shape? So you have to write the name of the shape. So in this, which shapes has occur more? So 22 we got triangle. So here you should write triangle. Then that occur least means very less number of shapes occurs, that you should write. Okay. Next, see here so many names as well. So number of letters you have to count and write, and then you have to give these answers. Okay, like SALMA, Salma. So how many letters are there? 5. So it has 5 letters. Then Joseph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Joseph has 6 letters. Okay, Arun has 4 letters. So like that you have to count the letters and you have to write the number. Next you have how many names have 4 letters. So first if you count like this, you can see which names has 4 letters. You can write that how many. So 1, 2, 3, how many. So how many times S comes in the names taken together? If we take so all the names together, S letter how many times come, A letter how many times come, it is easily you can write. So like this way, this is a very easy chapter, and you can make a game also with this, and you can play with your friends, with your family members. Okay, so this is about this chapter. I have given one assignment. This textbook you will complete, and then you have to do another one assignment what I have given in the PPT. See, if you observe this assignment, draw the picture in a notebook and write the number of shapes. So already I have drawn the shapes: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and what is this? Diamond. So you should count here all the shapes names. Which are irregular shape need not to write. Okay. So these all things you will consider. These all things you will consider as a circle. Okay. So like this way, just count and write the shapes like this, and also neatly you should draw this diagram and color it neatly. Okay, so these all you will draw circle, this triangle, everything is like that, and neatly you will do the color and complete this task. I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson, because it is very small and very easy lesson for you people. Thank you, children.